Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin Trezor. Connect your Trezor to the computer, open Trezor Suite, and complete device setup with a new PIN and seed phrase. Purchase Bitcoin from a reputable exchange, then withdraw to your Trezor's Bitcoin address for cold storage. Verify the receiving address on the hardware screen before confirming. Keep backups of your seed phrase offline and never share it with anyone. Start by choosing a trusted exchange, create an account, and complete identity verification. Link your bank or card, then place a buy order for the desired Bitcoin amount. After purchase, withdraw the Bitcoin to your Trezor address using the correct network. Confirm addresses on both the computer and device display. Avoid leaving large balances on exchanges and consider splitting funds between wallets for extra safety. Set up Trezor with a strong PIN and write down the seed phrase on paper, storing it in a secure location. Enable passphrase protection if you want extra security and test recovery with a clean device or recovery check. Update firmware only from the official Trezor site and verify signatures when prompted. If a transaction fails, check network fees, confirm address accuracy, and contact support if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.